approximately 3 minutes.
Another one coming, guys. Yeah, you can see it.
Milwaukee West train number 2205 to Big Timber is now arriving. Please step behind the yellow line.
Well, I guess it means that I'm gonna be alone. It sounds depressing. I like being alone. Here it is. Now, this is a lot of fun to do. Getting up early in the morning, 6:45, getting here at 7. Not really. I would have loved to get here by 7, but I had to help my dad move some stuff around. I found out that he has like an antique tape recorder from the 30s or 40s. So it's like old as World War II. Okay, so there's me another train coming from down there, and then gonna go do a little super down there since you see a little green. But it's always like the best to come around like rush hour, just because you catch more trains. This is the 3rd or 4th one I've caught today, maybe the 5th. But yeah, maybe I can catch a freight train today. Sometimes I feel like I need to get my own Patreon, but I don't really need it right now. Well, maybe for funding, like repairing old rail cars I have.